Everyone, welcome back to Twinkling Star. I hope you all are doing great. So before I begin, I wish you all a very happy new year. May your year be as good as perfectly winged and aligned liners with both the eyes. So today I'm here basically to review this cleanser from this brand called Blue Nectar. I was sent this cleanser by them and they wanted to know my views on it, and so I thought of reviewing it for you all. And I used it for a couple of days, like I used it for like approximately 10 days, and today I'm gonna share my personal opinion with you all. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the review. So let's first brief you about this brand, Blue Nectar. They're basically into contemporary Ayurveda. They have a lot of doctors, a lot of Ayurvedic doctors to research and come up with new Ayurvedic products, and they have a vast variety of products, like from night creams to day creams to cleansers to serums and oils and whatnot. And although this is my first ever product which I'm using from this brand, the fact kind of intrigued me that they have always ignored and completely avoided all kinds of chemicals in all their whatever they have launched. So that was a part which intrigued me the most to get more of their products. So I'm planning to buy more of their products, like their night creams and serums. So first let's talk about its packaging. It comes in an outer package like this, and inside you have a very sturdy plastic bottle which has a pump dispenser and a clip lock mechanism so that it doesn't get spilled while traveling, or in case if you want to carry it in your hand purse. And it's basically a gel based face wash which goes a long way if you use it in even if you take a very generous amount, it will go a long way. And the best part about this face wash is it has a very nice and mild floral fragrance which kind of lingers on your face for some time even after washing. The surprising part was, even though I'm very I'm a person who keeps on buying more of Ayurvedic products, I've never found a face wash which has Ayurvedic components in it and has a mild fragrance. So this was very surprising for me. So anyways, let's talk about how it performed on my face. So when this face wash was sent to me, I'm sorry for the background noise, that's one of my daughter doing. And yeah, so when this face wash was sent to me, I had patches, like dry patches from on my chin area, and one or two bumps on my nose or on my cheeks, I don't remember. So after using it for like couple of days, for 4 or 5 days, I could see all my dry patches going. So it gently exfoliated my skin, which was really good because it is meant for oily skin type, and I am a person who's heavily combination, like I'm extremely dry during winters and extremely oily during summers. So this area was oily and this area was dry, and somewhere here also were dry. So it got me rid of all those kind of problems, like my bumps, my breakouts, and my dry patches. So it gently, what I feel is even though it doesn't have any micro granules or scrub particles, it actually gently exfoliated my dead skin cells, which I really liked about this face wash. And it even got me rid of little bit of tan unevenness here and there, and it really transformed my CTM regime, because after like using it for some days, I could really see a visible change on my face. Now let's take a closer look at its ingredients. It has steamed distilled water 15%, then it has raw honey, which is really impressive. Then it has Nak Kesar 3%, Anant Mool 3%. It has aloe vera 5%, very good for inflammation on your skin. Then it has Gajar Beej 3%, glycerin, very good to balance the moisture in your skin. Then it has dicyl glucoside, a plant derived soap which is definitely sulfate free, doesn't have sulfate. Then it has Gulab Ark 3%. Then it has a thing called DMDMH, which is nothing but it's a substitute for paraben. What it does, paraben basically does nothing. It preserves your, it's a preservative, it preserves your product. So this is basically paraben free. It has a substitute called DMDMH, which is again I think plant based, plant derived. So yeah, the ingredients are pretty interesting. I was intrigued because of the ingredients. I really found it interesting because even other Ayurvedic, I have seen so many Ayurvedic brands claiming they are 100% Ayurvedic, and they are based on herbs. But somehow when I end up reading the ingredient list, I found some or the other chemical based ingredient. So that made me really sad and upset about their claiming that they're 100% Ayurvedic. But this, I can like blindly trust on this brand that they are actually 100% Ayurvedic, and they keep on providing you with a vast, like a lot of variety of products. Now let's talk about its pricing and its shelf life. It retails for 445 rupees, which might seem a lot of money for 100 ml of face wash, but trust me, they have not compromised on the ingredients. So I think 445 is justified, and on top there's always an off on the official website or on Amazon. You can check the official website and Amazon. I'll link down both the sites on my description box. And about its shelf life, it goes for 3 years from the manufacturing date, and you get 100 ml for this price. So I hope you found this review helpful, guys. And another very important point I want to add up here is that no matter what a new product you invest in, like be it Ayurvedic or dermat recommended, always go for a patch test on your arm before you actually proceed to use the product. See for an allergic reaction. If you get any, immediately stop using that product. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you find this review helpful. Also leave a comment on my comment box below that about some ideas, like I go out of ideas, and let me know in the comment box below if you've already used this face wash. I would love to know about your experience. And catch me on Instagram, Snapchat and Facebook. I've given all the links on my description box below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video like this. Until next time, see you, take care, bye bye.